I'm a sentimental sap, that's all. What's the use of trying not to fall? I know where you made your key, 'cause you took advantage of me. I'm just like an apple on a bough, and you're gonna shake me down somehow. So what's the use you cooked my goose, 'cause you took advantage of me. I'm so hot and bothered that I don't know my elbow from my heel. I suffer something awful each time you go, and much worse when you kneel. So here I am with all my bridges burned, just a baby in arms where you're concerned. So lock the doors and call me yours, 'cause you took advantage of me.